Last thing I want to talk about,
Speaking about supernatural,
drones have been going across the sky of our country and mainly nearby the East Coast.
you about to make me cry, fam.
But man, what are your thoughts, man? Because I'm gonna be honest, man. Once I saw this starting to roll, and you already know, I'm like, yeah, I know, I know, I am positive aliens are real, and I definitely believe in that, right? But I will, I went through a rabbit hole Saturday night. Okay.
Okay, my boy did his research. Okay.
Not what I wanted to see, right? But I was just like, what do people know, right? And I'd be lying to you if I thought there wasn't going to be a full invasion Sunday morning. Okay.
Not yet, not yet.
And I'm scared as fuck, to be honest. I'm not vibing with this.
Hey,
And
Tyler, bro, listen, what we've always predicted, what we always thought would happen, I wasn't actually ready, like, for it to happen, like, right now.
no, but when it would be a good time to be like, you know what? Aliens, that would be fine if it came out right now. When would you be okay with that?
Maybe 10 years ago, I would have been a little bit, as a teenager, I might have been lit about that. But as an adult, that shit crazy. I'm still.
No, yo, when you
It's
watch
like
the
I
news,
can't like, bro. If I take it like to the level where you took it, I'll get terrified. So I don't. I still try to stay surface level, but that ain't no fucking drone, fam.
nah,
And
some of
there's
them.
only two things. There's only two possibilities. Either it's a UFO or the government got spacecraft we haven't seen.
Yeah, but they wouldn't be flying. There's a few things, right? There's a few things like when they go by the airport and stuff, they're supposed to be either like shot down or something. But for what what I've
Them shits did not
heard
get
is
touched
that
in
they're
the.
like undetectable.
They are, and guess where they come from? Guess where the aliens
The
been living all
ocean,
this time? The water, the ocean.
that's even scarier.
And
The
that's the most unexplored area. It just makes perfect sense, bro.
So
But
I'm thinking like, okay, when you watch the news and they're like, they're that one of the things was like, oh, the government says it's not threatening. Y'all don't know what it is.
if, and
No,
there still hasn't been an official report to explain
no,
what that was.
no. What they are on the daily, like the government doesn't know what it is, and they're telling us, oh, it's not a threat. Y'all don't even know what it is. You're telling me it's not a threat. So do you know what's something that we shouldn't that you don't want us to know? It's nothing good, bro. It's there's like been like
So you
reports of
getting you getting a bad vibe off this one.
yeah, I'm not fucking with this. Like, why isn't this is like some sci-fi shit.
All right, bro. If this shit's real, like for
I don't
real,
vibe
nah,
with
nah,
this.
nah. If this shit's actually fucking real, I'm about as prepared as one can be, but still, bro, that's a lot of people not gonna be able to deal with this shit. Like a lot of people gonna lose their fucking mind off this shit.
Okay, yo, and this is why probably we don't know about this.
Of course. Look, I don't even fault the government for hiding it because sometimes you got to do what's best for the people. I personally, as a person, I'm always trying to go toward the truth. So that's where I stand, but I get it. I get why you would want to shield your people, keep them peaceful and happy and shit. But I think, bro, I think this is like a slow rollout.
But
This
my
all
question
started
is,
in 2020, brother. Don't ever forget it. We I I've been calling it. We've been calling it since it started. COVID started. The world was focused on that. They said, "All right, now is the time. Start slowly releasing official documents." That's what made the difference. We've been seeing this shit. E-bombs world coming up, internet files, like then it went to YouTube, then it went to but now it's the fucking news.
yeah, the new shit is what scares me most is because they don't know dick. You have conspirators and they're like, poking all types of stuff, but the news when they're like, yeah, we the FBI and the New Jersey police, like they don't know shit. Like they're like,
Remember what I said. Remember what I said,
but
bro.
why New
20.
Jersey though? Like,
Probably on the it's on the coast, so the water's right there.
I don't know, man, but I'm not fucking with none of it to be honest.
Hey man, what I told you, 2025 is the official arrival.
But
Like
I'm trying.
that's when you'll see like fact, like here, like boom, like it's here, like
All
you
right, I
feel me?
mean, then it's like, all right, what's their intentions? Like,
So this is my
what-
fear. I
let me
all
tell you
right,
something real quick. There's always a question like, what are you afraid of more, space or water, right? I've always said space
yeah,
because there is we're a speck in space. There's so
right.
much that can happen. Black holes, the sun exploding. Now, I'm not saying none of that, any of that.
Debris flying, craters, meteors,
Yeah, craters as big as our planet, half the size of our planet. It could
stars
be.
being born or fucking dying, blowing up.
I mean, probably happens every day in other parts of the galaxy.
Yeah, for
That shit
sure.
scares the shit out of me. I don't know why.
Of course it does, bro. It's like the void, you know? But nah, so okay, so this is all right. So now let's move the conversation forward. They're real. Got it. Everyone accepted their religion's out the window. Do you think they're friendly? That's the question.
I mean, they haven't done anything, so yeah. If that's
They're,
an actual species,
they're getting close though. If you notice, they've low key been taking steps closer and closer, making themselves more and more visible. So I'm like, if they keep going down this path, the eventual trajectory is contact. I'm not ready for this shit, gang. I ain't gonna hold you. Hey, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not ready. I don't like something in me says, and I don't want to put that on them. Like, I don't know if they're friendly or not, but I know humans as a species are not friendly. So I just don't have confidence is the human species getting along with another species that I have nothing. Bro, fuck this shit, dog. I hope this shit is some fucking advanced ass Asian drone, but I know it's not. I know what this is. They've been slow rolling out. It's been, bro, that Miami shit still, we still don't got.
oh man, you remember that? I mean, that
That
was
was just this year, fam.
that was a little sketchy, yeah.
Bro, when you see the video of 40 cop cars back to back, no, that wasn't 40 cop cars don't come over teenager. Like, you know what I mean? Like 40 cop cars comes when it's like, bro, there's a guy about to blow it. Like, no. Or when you say, oh, there's a 10-foot fucking monster walking around this bitch
Oh,
right now.
man, I mean, was it that? Was it?
That's what reports were.
Oh my God, that's fucked up. I heard also a theory, and this is just like real conspiracy thing, is that like there's aliens that are trying to protect us from another species or from other species or something like some shit like that.
I've heard that theory.
But I don't
Like
like
there's
none of
friendly
this.
aliens and there's invasive aliens.
Like I don't like none of this though. None of it.
The fact, yeah, no, you're, bro. I feel you, man.
I'm not vibing with that.
Yeah, this shit don't
I
feel.
just hope it's not like I hope like this is what I hope it just kind of goes away. Like they go away, bomb. That's what
I'm
I hope.
sorry, bro. I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
they're like,
Not
oh, it's whatever. But I what I have a feeling is like some sort of like COVID like shake to the world is what I feel like it's gonna be.
what if the shit comes out for real?
Like if down the line it's gonna be like 2025 was like a big there was like a historic event 2025 with this shit.
Oh, for sure. 2025 is one of them years. Like that GTA release is very symbolic. Like 2025 is one of them ones. History books, like you said.
And yeah, I'm just not ready for that. Another thing I'm not really comfortable with either is how how fast AI is really becoming and how quickly it's
It's
interacting.
gonna be the fucking robots versus the aliens. God damn it, bro. Hey, I'm just happy to be one of the last generations of real nigga. And I
It's
don't even
not.
say that. I don't even say that word like on here like that, but that's just what we are, fam. We just last of a dying breed. It's gonna be the aliens versus the robots. Like y'all gotta be fucking kidding me.
It's too much immersed into everything already, and it's only been a year or two.
My mom talking about ChatGPT is her best friend.
I use ChatGPT too. It's great. It's not my best friend, but
I know.
there's AI systems that you can actually have a conversation with.
Remember the story came out the other day about some kid, like some 12-year-old committed suicide talking to a AI bot who was
Daenerys.
supposed to be Daenerys from Game of Thrones.
It's crazy. I mean,
That's fucking insane. Bro, do you hear what I just said? Like, this is a Black Mirror episode. We're here, bro.
yeah.
Though
This
I
is just
never
the
took,
beginning too, and we haven't even dipped our toe in with this type of shit.
fam. Robots versus the aliens. I can't believe it was getting to this. Like, I predicted the robots. The aliens part is what really got me like, oh, this one too?
Yeah, I'm not fucking with it. I'm not fucking with any of it, man.
Hey, what about the mermaids and them sirens? I believe that shit too. I'm about to go on a cruise
Careful.
next month, and I want to do two things on the cruise.
Yell for mermaids.
I want to get unlimited ice cream, specifically at 3 a.m. No cost. I just want to hit that shit at 3 a.m.
Okay.
to the face.
That's what's up.
And then I want to go outside 3 a.m. pitch black. Just listen and just see what's out there in the middle of the fucking ocean.
Yeah, it's kind of scary to be honest, because it's just black.
I heard it's just black. You
It's
can't
just
like
black. You barely can see
literally.
any water. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's crazy. I really couldn't imagine. Fucking man, yeah. So AI and aliens, 2025.
God damn it, Tyler.
The
I'm
thing that
s-
put me over the edge with the AI thing was how all the new galaxies have it. A
oh,
personal AI.
oh, it's like included in there.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit. Now this is because
Oh shit, I didn't know that.
the tech war, that's galaxies like FU to Apple. Like
So
they
that's
battle.
like in the future, like Siri will be an AI.
It already is, bro. It already is.
Yeah,
They
but to
could
the
say your
point where you could
name.
say, "Hey
They could recognize
Siri."
your voice. No, it already is.
Fuck.
Alexa, like that's AI. All of that's just AI. It's super resourceful. It really is.
I mean, we have to learn how to use it,
Yeah,
but
but
that
it
don't mean we gonna like succumb to this shit.
right.
I don't know, bro. We just gotta, keep going outside, keep touching grass, like
Yeah.
literally and figuratively.
Because maybe one day there won't be any grass.
Won't be no grass. That shit gonna be a fucking cement floor.
Matrix, you've seen it, right? Obviously, right?
Of course.
Are you taking the pill to see the real world, or are you're just gonna live your life?
Nah, give me the real world.
Really?
Yeah, hell yeah. I mean, that's a great question, but yeah, I'll say give me the real world. Like I said, yeah, I'd rather just figure this shit out. Tell me the aliens are real. Fuck it. Confirm my curiosity. Just
All
the
right, man.
fact they here and spaceships, like I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
But
Uh,
why haven't we got like a better picture of it? It's like a lot of the videos are always grainy. Like
that's a great question. I think they just be so fucking far away.
that's what I was came to
So far
conclusion.
away and so fast.
But wouldn't airplanes see them a lot better? Like you're telling me a UFO and an airplane haven't got someone with an iPhone 16 doesn't have one?
Maybe they don't go around airplanes. I don't know, bro. That's a great question. No, that's a really legit question. Why haven't we got better footage of just anything? related. Like everything's always grainy. Like, no, I want an HD pic, fam.
Yo, I was watching. I mean, obviously, all day yesterday, the football games, right? They zoom in so close to the ball, you can see the texture on the ball. You can almost feel it, and they zoom out all the way back to see the whole field. You're
Yeah.
telling me we can't get one of those cameras on one of these UFOs?
They need to get an NFL cruise camera on one of them planes.
Get NFL films onto UFOs.
That's it.
It'd be
They'll
great.
solve it.
Yeah, they'll figure it out. They'll make an awesome documentary and be sick.
That's a legitimate question. To me, like, bro, two things confirmed it for me. Like, one time my wife was at Starbucks. Some old dude tried to get at her. She was by herself. Some old dude tried to get at her. He was a pilot, ex-pilot. And then I guess he told her like, "Oh, I've seen some crazy shit," like referring to like aliens and this guy. So that's a personal story. And then there was this guy, I forget his name now, on the Joe Rogan podcast. He was like an ex-Navy SEAL, high ranking. Um, but he was like one of the most famous cases of like someone that's witnessed UFO shit. Like he was flying a plane, like observing a UFO. He said it came out the water. It usually like hovers like this, and then it just like literally and gone, gone. So once I seen those two stories, one personal and one like someone that's very credible, I pretty much believe that yeah something's up.